What if you could be a part of something that doesn't just change lives, but transforms generations to come? Something that equips men to lead their families, businesses, churches, communities with clarity, confidence, and purpose. That's the vision I want to share with you today. Hi, I'm Coach Red, and for years I've been helping Christian leaders break free and chisel off limiting beliefs, discovering their true identity, and boldly stepping into their God-given calling. Through my coaching business, content creation, and the unique Red Print framework, I've seen lives transformed, families restored, and leaders equipped to make an eternal kingdom impact. But now it's time to go bigger. I'm building the Better Than Best Academy into a movement, a legacy dedicated to empowering Christian leaders. Because when we build stronger leaders, we don't just change their lives, we build stronger families, stronger communities, and ultimately a stronger, better purpose-filled world. Here is what your investment will go toward. Building a team of world-class coaches, mentors, and also those that will help facilitate and administrate and really take care of those that we are called and created to lead. Then it's also going towards creating systems and infrastructure to scale the Academy's impact and reach, upgrading technology and production gear to deliver the higher quality content and resources that will match the already higher value that we've been given, developing programs, resources, and events that inspire and equip leaders to live out their purpose boldly. But it's not just about the systems or the technology or the gear, it's about the lives that we'll touch together. When we invest in building men into leaders, we create a ripple effect that transforms families, churches, businesses, and the entire community. Imagine the impact of a generation of leaders fully aligned with their God-given identity, stepping up to lead with integrity, character, and purpose. Think about it. Strong men build strong families. Strong families build strong communities, and strong communities can change the world. That is what your partnership will accomplish. A kingdom legacy that leaves an eternal mark. To bring this vision to life, I'm seeking partners who share a heart for kingdom impact. Whether you're an investor with a passion to empower others, or someone who sees the potential for long-term growth in this space, this is your opportunity to make a difference. Your investment isn't just funding a project, it's fueling a movement. It's creating an impact much greater than you and me. I believe we have a unique opportunity in this life to answer one of two calls. I visualize it like there are two phones sitting on a table. One is a call to purpose, a call to fulfillment, a call to living a legacy and impact. The other, a call to fear, average or below average. And we have the opportunity to pick up one of those phones. So I want to ask you, friend, which phone are you going to pick up? Are you going to lean into comfort and complacency and thinking about your four and no more? Or are you going to answer the other call? The call of purpose, the call of impact, the call of servant leadership, the call of transformational leadership, the call that says, I am going to make an impact, not only for me and my family and my friends, but I'm going to make an impact that we will see on the other side of eternity. Are you going to answer that call, friend? If you are, then I can't wait to have that conversation with you so we can partner and really build what God is wanting to build through this vision that I feel like He's given me. Together, we'll equip leaders, restore families, and create transformational resources that change lives for generations to come. If this resonates with you, send me a message or comment below on this video. Let's talk about how we can partner to build something extraordinary, something that builds the kingdom of God and leaves a lasting legacy. Together, we can make a real impact. I can't wait to have that conversation with you.